Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unang mikmat ubadan hapo kaliang persya uba na kaseng kongres uba Ronnie v lingdo habakran bikilat patay kubor menta kasingi kakat khandai tarik ujemang arajar arpulai ulo ang bakaladon kajing Pynshai na kasorkar ha kabayde karos the system pat kini kinong yalam kilapan pawi kajing songohon halor kata uba Ronnie ulay thu ba Myntri Rangbah ula Pynshai bat pentik kana bakanom dan kajing songopher Jaitbynriew bat kanom dan Jingleh Shiliang Shushu uba Ronnie ulay thu ru ba Myntri Rangbah ula ang ba anam pai di in karos the system Henry in Myntri Kambet Shakhaman.
Has been in place, put in place to ensure that the reservation policy that we have 40, 40, 15 and 5 is implemented in that aspect. We are very happy, verified. So now we have been assured that there will be no discrimination against any community. This misconception has been removed. So we are very happy as Indian National Congress, because we're working for the interests of our young generation to ensure that our youth have a future in the state, our youth have faith in the system, and the government, the Chief Minister has clarified very clear that there will be no community that will be discriminated. The roster system is in place because all along after the reservation policy was enacted, there was no roster system in place. So it's been very clear now, it's been clarified. So the young generation should not worry. There will be no discrimination against any community. As per the reservation policy enacted by the Assembly, that will be followed in that aspect. Now you have got to start somewhere. And the court has been very, very clear that, it should be from the time the roster system should be in place, right from the time that the reservation policy has been enacted. But of course it will be implemented prospectively. But you have to have certain basis, and the court has made it very clear that the roster system should be in place right from the time the reservation policy was enacted.